Good afternoon, students. Welcome to one more amazing session from Infinity Learn. I am Suresh, Faculty of Chemistry. How are you all? Good afternoon. Nice to see good number of students over here. Annamani is there, right? And many students who are regularly attending the session. Welcome to NEET STEP UP 2025 program from Infinity Learn. Here in this YouTube platform, Infinity Learn is offering physics, chemistry and biology sessions right from 10 o'clock to evening 6 o'clock, and you all enjoy these sessions and get prepared for NEET examination, and you like and share and subscribe these sessions. How are you? How are you all? Good to see. And आज हम करने वाले आयनिक इक्विलिब्रियम कल कर लिया, एसिड बेस थ्योरीज थोड़ा रिकैप्चर करने के बाद पीएच कैलकुलेशन के बारे में देखना है आज. Good to see. And what Infinity Learn is doing for the students who are preparing for NEET examination. I just want to show right from evidence. We are offering hi SV Singh, good afternoon. Nice. Those students, I want to show you an example. Here 4 students are there on the screen. You can see Himadyuti and Ashrita and Akhil Verma and Satyanarayanan, and they taken a very good Infinity Learn program for NEET examination, and they were in NEET 2023. Ashrita got 310 marks and she could able to secure 661 marks. You can see amazing 351 marks score बढ़ गया. And Akhil Verma, he got just 313 in 2023 and he scored 2024 में 658, इतना बड़ा 345 marks, right? And also Himadyuti, she just got 310 only like here and secured 652 after taking Infinity Learn NEET Step Up program. And also AKMS, good afternoon. What is your actual name, beta? Okay. And also you can see Satyanarayanan, and there are 330 marks only, and Satyanarayan got 650 marks. They had 320 marks. Okay, something you have written in some other language I can't understand. Okay, so many more students are like this. They achieved very good score after taking NEET examination preparation packages offered by Infinity Learn, and you will be the next. And I want to show you and what are the things. Restart your preparation for NEET 2021. You will be having a self-study program, and you will be having 6,800 plus video lectures are available, and benchmarking with Sri Chaitanya students. You know Sri Chaitanya and Infinity Learn secured the topmost score, and unlimited practice test bhi hai, and NCERT full coverage bhi hai. And I want to show you, my dear students, and you just go through the description box. I just want to show you, just a minute. Here in the description box, in my video lecture live class mein, on the live class you can see, yes, in this Infinity Learn my live class is going on. In my live class you can see a description box that is available at the down, and click more over here when the lecture is going on, and the first link that is available, boost your NEET score with Infinity Learn and enroll now. The link is given and you can just click on to that. You will be directed to a new page where you can see all the description and course modules and various key features of the courses, comprehensive video lectures and personalized learning experience, detailed study materials, बच्चों targeted practice test भी है, national level mock test, performance benchmarking and unlimited practice test and expert doubt resolution. Whenever, wherever you have a doubt, you can get your doubt resolved one click away, and efficient revision tools are there, and you can see various courses that are available. So you just check whatever the course you wanted, simply click it for buy, and you will be asked for verify your phone number, enter your phone number, then you go to the page. There you are going to apply a coupon code with reference to me. When you take my reference, here you can see my students, Suresh 50 is the reference code. If you apply this reference code, जो भी कोर्स आप मांगना चाहता हूँ उसी से 20% डिस्काउंट सीधा आपको मिलेगा. So you are going to get any course at 20% flat discount. है ना? Are you ready? And you just click it and just go through the key features that are available. So these key features that we are giving from Infinity Learn, you never get it many, you never and ever. So quality and also the precision for the NEET examination. If you just reveal that fact in 2024 NEET examination, the paper and completely our package and these questions are there in the package and सारा के सारा questions NEET में ये package से आ चुका है. So that what late we shall go in the details about ionic equilibrium. फिलहाल what you learn in today's class, acid base theories कल किया. So regular session now, academics only, no promotions, and also pH scale and buffers and salt hydrolysis and solubility equilibrium आज का क्लास में आज कल कर लिया. एंड आज का ये pH कैलकुलेशन में थोड़ा ध्यान रखना. ओके, शिव सिंह AKMS. Sir, I have given a name, you are given a name where I can't understand that language. So remember my coupon code there? Somebody? Remember my coupon code? Okay, so let's go with a short recapture of the acid base theories that we have discussed yesterday. Arpit Pandey, get ready. And I was expecting Shilpa Pandey in today's class. Is that with a different name with Arpit Pandey? Is that you? Or you are different? Good afternoon, Arpit Pandey. And actually I am expecting Shilpa Pandey with the same. Okay. So let's have a short description about the acid base theories. So we have majorly three theories: Arrhenius theory, Bronsted theory, and the Lewis theory. It is different. Okay. So let's talk about learn simple and apply simple. So Arrhenius theory, according to them, acid is a substance which donate H plus donor in the aqueous solutions, whereas base is a substance, it is going to be OH minus and donor in aqueous solutions. Bas, itna hai. You are from Uttar Pradesh, I know by name of your Pandey. And Bronsted-Lowry theories is applicable, it is only applicable for aqueous solutions beta, and Bronsted-Lowry theory, it is only applicable for any solvent. So he is said to be, acid is said to be H plus donor and base is said to be H plus acceptor. Need not be an aqueous solution, which could be in any solution, okay, non-aqueous solution also. Here you come across with conjugate acid base theories. So an acid which donate H plus, it gives its corresponding conjugate base. A base is accept H plus ion and it is going to give us a conjugate acid. And a strong acid will have a weak conjugate base and a weak acid will have a strong conjugate acid and vice versa. Got it? Now, Lewis theory, it is going to be an acid. Who is going to tell what about a Lewis acid and Lewis base? Chat box में फटाफट दे सकते हैं. Arpit Pandey. AKMS and SV Singh and Anamani. Yes, अर्पित पांडे, come on, फटाफट. So लुईस थ्योरी का हिसाब से एसिड होगा इलेक्ट्रॉन पेयर एक्सेप्टर. अभी तो बेस है H प्लस इलेक्ट्रॉन पेयर डोनर. इलेक्ट्रॉन पेयर डोनर समझ में आ रही क्या? हाँ, यस, वेरी गुड. एंड वी रिकैप्चर्ड कल जो किया एंड ए रिकैप्चर है. अभी तो ये 2-3 क्वेश्चंस करने के बाद आज का क्लास आयनाइजेशन प्रोसेस में जाना है ना. गेट रेडी विद दैट. अरे बोलना यार, थम्स अप दे कि फायर इमोजी भी दे सकते हैं, जल्दी दे. ओके, राइट. In which direction will the following equilibria 1 and 2 proceed? So this is the equilibrium 1, H2SO4 in aqueous media, acid, yes, Lewis acid and electron pair acceptor, yes, Lewis base in a substance which yes, of course, Pandey, that's good. I like your spirit. Lage raho. Now H2SO4 aqueous एंड अमोनिया एक्वियस NH4 बन गया, HSO4 माइनस बन गया. एंड दूसरा जो इक्वेशन है HCO3 माइनस, SO4 2 माइनस, HSO4 माइनस एंड CO3 2 माइनस. उसमें फर्स्ट रिएक्शन फॉरवर्ड एंड सेकंड रिएक्शन बैकवर्ड द फेवर्स, एंड बैकवर्ड एंड फॉरवर्ड एंड बोथ फॉरवर्ड बोथ बैकवर्ड. सो आपका आंसर क्या होगा? सो यू सी हाउ द क्वेश्चन हैज बीन फ्रेम्ड. How the question has been framed. I'll explain you. Here equilibrium proceeds in the direction from strong acid base to weak acid base, and this is the key point to answer this question. So when you talk about strong acid can give weak acid, strong base can give weak base. So hence acidic strength is compared among two acids. ये वाला acid है and उसमें ये वाला acid है. And if you compare, first one is going to be favored in more in the forward direction and second one is favored more in the backward direction. So the option A is the correct option as Arpit Pandey has given a beautiful answer. So you just see a question and how it is going to be solved. इसका solution भी आपके सामने तैयार है ना बेटा? Clear? Got it? फैंटास्टिक. और एक क्वेश्चन करना तैयार है अर्पित पांडे? हाँ, यस. नाउ अमोनियम आयन इज, आपका आंसर क्या होगा? अमोनियम आयन इज. अरे क्वेश्चंस, जब क्वेश्चंस करते हैं ना स्टूडेंट और बबलिंग विथ फायर ओवर देयर. वेरी गुड, कम ऑन. आपका आंसर क्या होगा? अमोनियम आयन. Yes. Once I see the answer in the chat box, I am going to reveal the answer. Okay. Right. So I just want to, this is an YouTube platform better, and this YouTube platform, don't feel this YouTube platform is a radio transmission system. Okay, it is a live interactive session, so that you can discuss with me anything by using chat box. And in 2024 NEET examination, we just had the same kind of YouTube sessions, and those students who attended regularly these YouTube classes from us, and they are going into the medical college proudly, and you just should believe it. Should believe it, yes. Why? Because you may feel that, sir, YouTube class में आलतू फूल तो चलते रहे, and if we attend ना, can we get it? Yes, you attend, and in front of you Suresh, experienced faculty, is standing and explaining all the things with you. Okay, so you want to say it's a Lewis base कैसे? NH3 प्लस प्रोटॉन छोड़ के NH3 बन रहे हैं, so it's a Bronsted acid, option C. Okay, NH4 plus ammonium ion, it cannot take electron, it is already tetravalent, so it's a trap. नीट में ऐसे क्वेश्चंस पूछते रहते हैं. So I select such a question in the class to make you to practice. ये सिंपल डेफिनेशन के हिसाब से सॉल्यूशन आपके सामने है. संतुष्ट है बेटा अर्पित पांडे? डोंट फील दैट आप गलती किया. आंसर सी है. ओके, शायद आपका आंसर बी होगा, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. एंड यू जस्ट मेड ए मिस्टेक एंड यू करेक्ट योर मिस्टेक. दैट इज कॉल्ड लर्निंग प्रोसेस. अगर लर्निंग प्रोसेस ठीक होगा तो मार्क्स भी बढ़ जाएगा, रैंक भी अच्छा होगा, है ना. एक ही टारगेट रखना दिमाग में, मेडिकल कॉलेज को घुसना है कैसे, जाना है कैसे. ओके, अच्छा तरफ अभ्यास करो. जो भी टीचर्स आपको एडवाइस दे रहे हैं ना, जो भी टीचर्स आपको ट्रिक्स दे रहे हैं ना, क्वेश्चंस कर रहे हैं ना, यू फॉलो द सेम. ओके, आई प्रॉमिस यू, यू आर गोइंग टू गेट ए वेरी गुड मेडिकल सीट. Got it? That's the motivation you should have. Arpit Pandey, fine. And what about the other students? Dear, come on, interact with me. Or a question आपके सामने. In which of the following reaction does NH3 act as an acid? Oh. Answer. Answer. अरे सोच के देना आंसर. ग्रेट. और 2 क्वेश्चंस बाकी है. बाद में आप आयनाइजेशन करना कोशिश करता हूं, हम साथ में करने हैं. गेट रेडी. अर्पित, आंसर क्या? कल क्लास में शिल्पा पांडे थे and many students are there, and those students, yes, I can see in the list of the students on the screen in front of me, regularly attending. Okay, come on, what is your answer? It is going to be option B. Where option B, where you can get it? Yes, NH3 is taking Hu plus. No, this is given Hu plus, so that hydrogen बन रहा है. So this is option B. So proton donor acid है. Ammonia is amphiprotic, but it has a maximum of basic properties. ठीक है बेटा. और एक है sulfonic acid is. Who is going to give the answer? Arpit, I accept your answer. Good, great, God bless you. Come on, next. Next. Muhammad Ishaq, you want to say C? Okay, Manoj, you want to say B? अभी बताओ ये सल्फानिलिक एसिड क्या. मान लो दिस इज योर बेंजीन बेटा, दिस इज SO3H, दिस इज सल्फोनिक एसिड. दिस इज योर सल्फोनिक एसिड. ठीक है. अभी तो what is this? This is aniline. एनिलिन सल्फोनेशन के बारे में आपका सल्फानिलिक एसिड मान लो. दिस इज व्हाट यू कॉल इट एज NH2 SO3H is called sulfanilic acid. उसमें इसका एसिडिक ग्रुप है, इसका बेसिक ग्रुप है. सो एक ही मॉलिक्यूल में एसिड ग्रुप बेसिक ग्रुप भी है. सो क्या करते हैं, खुद रिएक्ट करना चाहता हूं. एक प्रोटॉन यहाँ से यहाँ तक डोनेट करने का कोशिश करता हूँ. सो दैट व्हाट हैपेंस, द प्रोटॉन इसे बदलने के बाद आपको मिलेगा बेटा. सो इट इज गोइंग टू गिव यू NH3 प्लस एंड SO3 माइनस. जैसे पॉजिटिव एंड नेगेटिव चार्जेस एक ही मॉलिक्यूल में है. इस मॉलिक्यूल का नाम क्या, ऐसा आयन का नाम क्या पांडे? Correct, it's a white color solid and it is option D. Both A and B, it is an Arrhenius acid. Yes, it is Arrhenius acid and it is a Lewis base electron base पे दे सकते हैं. Okay, now it is what do you call it as? It is what do you call it as? Zwitter ion. Zwitter ion. समझे बेटा? It is called Zwitter ion. You are all given a wonderful answer. It is correct. Clear? Any doubt? कभी सुना है क्या Zwitter ion के बारे में? Children? एक मिनट. Yes, it is. सुल्तान अकीब. यस, बायो में बायोमोलिक्यूल्स में ज्विटर आयन आ गया, अमीन्स में भी आ गया. सुल्तान, व्हाट यू सेड इज करेक्ट. अमीन्स में भी आ गया. So why am I asking all these things? We are doing 11th standard ionic equilibrium. We are connected to somewhere in the biomolecule according to Akib, and also according to me it is there in the biomolecules as well as in amines, remember. So there are 4 NCERT textbooks, 11th grade 2 NCERT textbooks, 12th grade 2 NCERT textbooks. When you see these 4 NCERT textbooks, क्या क्या topics कौन कौन chapters में कैसे connect किया, if you have that hold, NEET examination सारे के सारा physics, bio, chemistry, so question paper is your playground, है ना. Question paper you can enjoy it if you are very good at cricket. Okay, if you are very good at cricket, Akib, you can really enjoy playing. If you fear about pace bowling, you can't play, definitely you will duck out. And yes, okay, very good, nice motivation, very good. Let's talk about ionization of weak acids. Questions का था मैं आज का, and बीच बीच में कुछ questions भी आता है. And let us talk about ionization of weak acids. उसमें we have to discuss about Ostwald dilution law. Zwitter ion is an ion that contains 2 functional groups. One is acidic functional group, and another one is basic functional group. I accept it, I repeat Pandey. Okay, so ionization of weak acids. So the dissociation or ionization of weak acid, HEA is given as H2A in the liquid state, gives rise to H3O plus EA minus. So let us apply law of chemical equilibrium here. The reaction, we apply law of chemical equilibrium, H3O plus and EA minus upon H2O and HEA. But H2O is a pure solvent, na? निकाल दो. So that you are going to get K up. Equilibrium for this acid is going to be H3O plus and A minus upon HA. This is also called as equilibrium constant. It is Ka or equilibrium constant of acid. जब आपका Ka वैल्यू बढ़ते हैं ना, एसिडिक स्ट्रेंथ भी बढ़ते हैं, एसिडिक स्ट्रेंथ भी बढ़ते हैं. Are you getting or not? Clear? Any doubt? Now let's talk the same about where Ka is a new constant called acid dissociation constant, and it is a constant for an acid. Every acid will have its a constant. If the values are given, you can say which is a strong acid. Okay. Now let's talk about the magnitude of the equilibrium constant is the measure of the strength of an acid. Yes. Hi Manga, Eslawat. You are from which place, dear? Okay. And higher the value of equilibrium constant for an acid, the stronger is the acid. And also for all strong acids, the value of the equilibrium constant is quite high and does not help you to say which is a strong acid, which is a weak acid. But for these weak acids, this value gives a lot of information to say this is a strong acid or a weak acid. Manga, fine. And let us take acetic acid ionizes to gives rise H plus and acetate ion, and Ka value is 1.8 and 10 power minus 5, or HCN, H plus and Cn minus, its value, yeah. Okay, Pandey, come on, it is 4.9 into 10 power minus 10. So ये दोनों में कौन सा वैल्यू ज़्यादा है? ये वैल्यू ज़्यादा और ये वैल्यू ज़्यादा है. अब जल्दी बोलो फटाफट. 1.8 is bigger than 1.4.9. You don't look at this. Look at the powers. Huh? So 10 power minus 5 is the bigger number as compared to 10 power minus 10, my dear students. Okay, so I want to say this is Ka of this is bigger, so it is a stronger acid compared to this. Okay. So in other words, acetic acid is a strong acid and it is going to be more ionizer than this. Clear beta? Fine. Got it? Okay. So 1.8 is bigger. Yes. Now you don't say 1.8 is bigger. Na galat hai. 1.8 into 10 power minus 5 is bigger. है ना? So that is mathematical justification. Okay, talking about ionization of a weak base. मान लो ammonium hydroxide, NH4OH or BOH gives rise B plus OH minus. Apply law of chemical equilibrium. The base always provides OH minus. So Kb is given. आपका जैसे K है and Kb is given as B plus OH minus upon BOH, and in that जिसका Kb ज़्यादा है वो strong base हो सकते हैं. So that example of dissociation of ammonium hydroxide gives rise to NH4 plus and OH minus. Dear students, I am talking this explanation from the scratch level. Okay, you all find this. So but it is characterized by Kb NH4 plus OH minus ion upon NH4OH. ठीक है? And the constant Kb is called dissociation constant of a base dissociation constant. जिसका Kb value ज़्यादा है इसका basic strength भी ज़्यादा है. That's very important. And similar values like Ka and Kb, the values are given as the idea about the relative strength of weak bases. Okay, so every base and every acid, their relative strengths should be known. So when you know about that, you can go for the acid base reaction. ये इससे react करते, इससे react नहीं कर सकते. Okay, so higher the value of Kb, stronger is the base. Higher the value of Kb, you can say Kb, stronger is the base. है ना बेटा? And everybody keep with book and pen and write all the formulas and all the explanations that I am giving in today's class. है ना? Don't miss the class. Every day the class is with me 1:30 to 3 o'clock Suresh Sir chemistry classes. So first 3 days of a week is going to be 11th standard syllabus and the next 3 days of a class is going to be 12th grade syllabus. Fine? Muhammad Ishaq. Fine beta? Manga? Sultan Akib and Arpit Pandey. Right, next. Let's talk about polyprotic acids. What is the meaning of a polyprotic acid? An acid which can donate H plus, only one H plus is called monoprotic acid. An acid which can donate 2 protons, that is called dibasic acid. and 3H plus, that is called tribasic acid. Many H plus is called poly, more than one is said to be poly. The acids are diprotic and give you 2 protons. The acids triprotic can give you 3 protons. Such acids dissociate more than one step is called a polyprotic. So, if you say the case of sulfurous acid H2SO3, it follows the different steps. H2SO3 gives rise HSO4, HSO3 minus H3O plus. So, first ionization constant is given H3O plus and HSO4 minus upon H2SO3. I just want to say H2SO3, one proton is lost, it is going to give rise HSO3 minus. Auric proton is lost, it is going to give rise SO3 2 minus. So, for this equilibrium it is said to be Ka1, for this equilibrium it is said to be Ka2, right. If you say Ka1, it is 1.3 into 10 power minus 2. If you say it is a Ka2, it is going to be 6.3 into 10 power minus 8. ये दोनों में कौन सा वैल्यू ज़्यादा है, जल्दी बताओ, ये दोनों में कौन सा वैल्यू ज़्यादा है? This value is big value, right beta? So, I just want to give you generalization for any polyprotic acid. Any polyprotic acid. No, it's not, Manoj. First one is 10 power minus 2, second one is 10 power minus 8. ये दोनों में ये ज़्यादा value है. Correct yourself. It is going to be Ka1 is less than, Ka2 is less than, Ka3 is less than. So, it is the simple method for any polyprotic acid. It is the generalized parameter you need to follow like that. Got it better? Clear? Any doubt? And let us do the values of 2 ionization constant Ka1, K2 and quite different, and also it is always, it is being 20 million times, it is 20 million times bigger than this. Got it? 20 million times bigger than this. Yes. Now, it suggests that the first ionization of sulfurous acid is much more easier than second. Fine, that's good. Clear? Now, in other words, the sulfurous acid behaves as a much stronger acid than bisulfite ion. This point makes you to more understanding this. So, always it want to behave like bisulfite ion, not as a sulfate ion. And also degree of ionization or degree of dissociation, Ostwald dilution law. So, what is this? As you know, weak acids and weak bases do not ionize completely. Miraj Ahmad. And an equilibrium exists between undissociated acids and dissociated acids. And the degree of ionization may be defined as the fraction of amount of weak acid or a base that exists in the ionized form. That is indicated with a letter called alpha. Alpha is number of moles ionized. Number of moles ionized upon number of moles taken. Number of moles taken. Understand? Yes, that's good. Nice. Now, how this alpha and the concentration is dependent, that is given by Ostwald dilution law. This Ostwald dilution law only applicable for weak electrolytes. Weak electrolyte मान लो is very important. Okay, now I want to say what is this Ostwald dilution law. So, it is given as a weak for weak acid or weak base. Let us talk about, consider the weak acid HCl. So, let me draw it on a blank page. Yes, Sari is on fire, always I'll be on fire. मान लो a weak acid CH3 COOH and ionizes to gives rise CH3 and COO minus and H plus. You should understand this, right? Carefully you see. Initially when the time is 0, C moles per liter concentration is taken, dear students. C moles per liter, 0 moles per liter, 0 moles per liter. Once this is reacted, let alpha is degree of ionization. When the time reaches to equilibrium beta, let alpha is the degree, C minus C alpha, and it is going to be C alpha and C alpha. Hakina? Right. C is the concentration, initial concentration in moles per liter. Alpha is degree of dissociation. You just simply learn in a simplified way, okay, and memorize in a smart way and apply in the same smartness, okay. So let's talk about the acid dissociation constant here. Ka is equal to CH3 COO minus and H plus and CH3 COOH, ठीक है, and CH3 COOH is C alpha का है and H plus C alpha का है. So के ये आप लिख सकते C alpha dot C alpha upon C minus C alpha, है ना? Getting or not? Clear? So that Ka is equal to C square alpha square upon C of 1 minus alpha. Clear? So that यहाँ पर square काट सकते हैं, यहाँ पर C काट कर सकते हैं. So that I can write Ka is equal to C alpha square upon 1 minus alpha. समझ में आ रही क्या? Clear? That's good. Sir, a weak electrolyte alpha is very small. For weak electrolyte, alpha is very small. So when you take a alpha is very small, therefore 1 minus alpha ignored. 1 minus alpha is ignored. ठीक है? So that this Ka is written as, therefore I just want to write Ka is written as nearly equal to, अगर ये इग्नोर कर सकते, अगर ये इग्नोर कर सकते, C alpha का बराबर होता है ना. ठीक है? Understand? So you can also say alpha is equal to root Ka by C. This is degree of dissociation. So that is degree of ionization inversely proportional to root concentration. This is what you call it as Ostwald dilution law. When dilution is increased, alpha is going to be decreased. As dilution increased, alpha value decreased. ठीक है? Right. So that's what I want to explain you the same, but I want to derive for you to make you to understand. Dear children, got it? Clear? Any doubt? Okay, nice. So if you have any doubt, you let me know. And H plus ion is equal to, इससे और कुछ आगे बढ़ सकते हैं बेटा. H plus ion concentration is equal to C alpha square, है ना? Alpha is equal to root Ka dot C. C dot Ka dot C, Ka upon C. So H plus ion can be given as root Ka dot C. So अरे H plus ion concentration इसका निकाल सकते हैं. pH कैलकुलेशन में जो फॉर्मूला आपको दे रहा हूँ, whenever I am giving a box, that is your formula for your exam preparation. चीट शीट भी बना सकते हैं, है ना बेटा? Yes. Ka is acid dissociation constant. Manoj, is it fine? Acid dissociation constant. Got it? Fine. Okay. Ionic product of water and ionization of water, everything we need to discuss about. Yeah. Any doubt? Come on, speak out. Are all the questions, and Miraj Ahmad. Okay, all the questions that you ask in the chat box are going to be clarified here. I said, so you all do the best and you will be the best. Clear? और कुछ है? ये थम्स अप एंड फायर इमोजी फटाफट डालना चैट बॉक्स में. आगे बढ़ता हम, आगे बढ़ना. दैट्स गुड. Now let us talk about ionization of water, autoprotolysis of water. So let us talk about one more example. Compute the degree of dissociation and percent dissociation of acetic acid of its 0.1 molar solution is given. The Ka is 1.8 into 10 power minus 5. You need not have to memorize Ka value of any acid. It will be given in the question itself. Mind it. And also the concentration C value is given here, okay, and Ka value is given here, and you are asked to calculate degree of dissociation. Alpha क्या होगा? Alpha is equal to root Ka by C. वो भी करना चाहता हूँ using the formula alpha is equal to root Ka by C, and you can get the Ka value as 1.8 into 10 power minus 5, and C stands for the concentration here. Manoj, it is 0.1 and ऊपर जाना तो 10 power minus 6 होगा and 10 power minus 4 होगा, and it is going to be 1.8 into 10 power minus 4. On simplification you are going to get 0.0134. that is the value of alpha. Got it? उससे परसेंटेज निकालना यार, उससे परसेंटेज निकालना, आपका आंसर मिलेगा. एंड द परसेंटेज ऑफ डिसोसिएशन, अल्फा से परसेंटेज ऑफ डिसोसिएशन 100 से मल्टीप्लाई करने तो हो जाएगा. एंड द परसेंटेज ऑफ डिसोसिएशन ऑफ वीक एसिड एज, so percentage of dissociation, the number of molecules that are dissociated upon total number of moles into 100. So that is alpha into 100. So alpha into 100 is equal to 0.0134 into 100 is equal to 1.34%. Simple trick. Array, simple trick. Got it? Fine. Any doubt? Let's talk about one more thing. So that, what do you understand this? Thus acetic acid is dissociated to extent of 1.134 in 0.1 molar aqueous solution, और उसमें थोड़ा पानी डालो, so concentration कम आ जाएगा, alpha value बढ़ते जाएगा. Understand? And auto-ionization or self-ionization of water, it is also called as autoprotolysis. This is what you call it as SP group entertainment. Hi, why you want to entertain me? Okay, I am ready. Let us entertain together, right? Funny names I can see in today's class, and every time you can see autoprotolysis. And water have a self-ionizing property, that is high. That is H2O is going to give rise H plus and OH minus. Hi, why sorry? Just tell your good name so that I can pronounce you. Arpit, okay? Right. No sorries. Just only learning and entertaining. Only the two things go. Learning, a little bit entertainment during the class. Okay. So, when the water is ionized, it is going to give, it has a off ionization. Next, self ionization of water can be represented as H2O and H2O. ये वाला H प्लस इसको दे सकते हैं, H3O प्लस बनेगा and OH माइनस होगा. Okay, and improve your NEET 2025 rank and fill out the Google form, and chat box में Google form भी दिया जाएगा and description box में भी Google form is available. You can just fill it and you can just scroll down to my session recording, and you can see, my dear students, look at this. So, when the session is going on, this is my session is going on, when this session is going on, you just go through a description box over there. In the description box, you can click the first link that is available, that is boost your NEET learning, and you are going to just directed to a page where AS NEET 2025 with a specialized NCERT based course for the droppers as well as semi droppers, and you can just enroll now by looking at the various key features, and these many key features you never get in any edutech industry in India, and these are the salient features. Only and only Infinity Lane is giving that comprehensive video lectures, personalized learning experience and detailed study material and performance benchmarking, efficient revision tools and a national level mock test. Key point for the scaling of your learning process is the mock test and expert doubt resolution. You can see the quality of the lessons that is happening from the Infinity Learn, and also you can see unlimited practice tests, targeted practice questions, okay, and also course for higher score and better score strategies, many courses that are available, and you can check NEET 2025 grade 13 rank assurance program and repeater self-study online program and repeater self-study plus PYQ books and pro program, and these are all available courses, and you can check the prices that are available, and you can click on any course so that you can just prompted to get your mobile number and verified by yourself, so that once you going into the pages, you can pay by using any kind of payment gateway. UPI भी कर सकते and आप नेट बैंकिंग भी कर सकते. लेकिन एक बात चीज़ सुरेश 50 is given, that is the coupon code. If you enter the Suresh 50 coupon code and आपका जो कोर्स है उससे 20% सस्ता मिलेगा, है ना, डिस्काउंट फ्लैट 20%, एंड डिस्काउंट करके आप पेमेंट पेज में आगे बढ़ सकते हैं. अरे डिस्काउंट बाद में मिलेगा, ऐसे नहीं होगा. ओके, फ्लैट वेन एवर यू एंटर सुरेश 50 यू आर गोइंग टू गेट फ्लैट 20%. तैयार है? गेट रेडी एंड वी विल बी डिस्कसिंग अबाउट द रेस्ट ऑफ द कॉन्सेप्ट. माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, लेट्स गो अहेड. And autoprotolysis, and after autoprotolysis H2O is going to ionize to give rise H plus and OH minus. From if you apply the equilibrium concept here, you are going to get H2O, and H2O gives rise H3O plus and OH minus, dear children, and there you can see the equilibrium constant is equal to H3O plus and OH minus and H2O square, right? Now let us take this H2O this side. You are going to get H3O plus H2OH minus is K equilibrium H2O square, and this is also a constant. This is also a constant, beta. When this is a constant, this is a constant. So this constant is multiplied with this constant, you are going to get a new constant that is called dissociation constant. So ionic product constant of water, right beta, clear? So that is called as ionic product constant of water, and this value is 1.0 into 10 power minus 14 moles square per liter square, and SI units में moles square dot decimeter to the power minus 6, and this unit also very important, very important, okay, and it is going to be only valid at 298 Kelvin, okay, or 25 degree centigrade. So Kw value मैं एक बार repeat करना चाहता हूँ, it is a product of H plus and OH minus ions, and this value is 1.0 into 10 power minus 14, only valid for 25 degree centigrade. अगर टेम्परेचर बढ़ते जाएगा Kw वैल्यू भी बढ़ते जाएगा, टेम्परेचर कम आना चाहता हूँ, Kw value is also come down, and that is what you call it as Kw is a new constant. Its value is given like this, and Kw is equal to H plus OH minus, its value is 10 power minus 14 and at 25 degrees centigrade. And when you talk about this H plus at a neutral, water is being a neutral, H plus ion concentration is equal to OH minus ion concentration, where you can see H3O plus concentration is Kw is going to be this much, so that ये value under root में निकालने तो 1 into 10 power minus 7 आ जाएगा, that is H plus is equal to OH minus ion concentration. Thus in pure water it is a neutral, you can say it is a H plus is equal to OH minus is equal to 1 into 10 power minus 7 mole per liter, or mole dot dm power minus 3 decimeter, okay, only at 298. It's very important, very important. Any doubt, children? Any doubt? Okay, who is that SP group beta? Pandey, Amit Pandey, Annamani. Okay, now let's talk about ionic product of water. According to Arrhenius concept, H2O is equal to H plus and OH minus. Ionic product of water is defined as the product of the ionic concentration of the water. It is 10 power minus 14. फिलहाल वही देख रहा हूँ, and this is an experimentally identified data. At 25 degree centigrade, pure water contain H plus is equal to OH minus is equal to 10 power minus 5. क्योंकि ये वाला न्यूट्रल है, वाटर, प्योर वाटर इज न्यूट्रल, and also dissociation of water is endothermic, बहुत अच्छा चीज है. So the increasing the temperature, equilibrium constant also increases. मैं क्या बोलना चाहता हूँ, अगर टेम्परेचर बढ़ते जाएंगे Kw बढ़ते जाएंगे. That's what Kw increases with increase in temperature and decreases with a decrease in temperature. And everybody knows that Kw is equal to 1.0 into 10 power minus 14 is only and only valid at 25 degrees centigrade to 98 Kelvin. Got it? Next. So, for example, 25 degrees centigrade Kw is equal to 1 into 10 power minus 14. And Kw at 40, it is 2.9 into 10 power minus 14. You say 1 become 2.9 na? Don't memorize the values. At 90 degrees centigrade Kw is equal to 10 power minus 13 ban gaya. As temperature increases, ionic product constant increases. Ionic product of water is always constant whenever may be dissolved in the water. Okay, and also as it is an equilibrium constant, it will depend only on temperature. Okay, and degree of dissociation of water. So alpha is equal to number of moles dissociated upon number of moles initially taken. So number of moles कितना dissociate किया, ये से हिसाब से 10 power minus 7, you got 10 power minus 7 is the H plus ion concentration, है ना. So लेकिन pure water का dissociation concentration initially 55.55. Can you anybody tell me kaise 50.55 nikla? So moles is equal to weight by molecular weight. So मान लो 1 लीटर का वाटर, 1 लीटर means 1000 milliliters, डेंसिटी ऑफ वाटर इज 1 ग्राम पर मिलीलीटर. इसी का हिसाब से 1 लीटर का मतलब 1000 मिलीलीटर और 1000 ग्राम अपॉन 18 इज इक्वल टू 55.55. दैट इज द नंबर ऑफ मोल्स इनिशियली टेकन 55.55. अगर ये करने तो अल्फा इज इक्वल टू 1.8 इंटू 10 पावर माइनस 9 और 1.8 इंटू 10 पावर माइनस 7 25 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड आएगा. Got it? And this is about the degree of dissociation of water, and take as a positive note. You can all do well, right? You can all do well. Next, so pKa value, so absolute dissociation constant of water, that is also important. So when H2O gives rise H plus OH minus, Ka is equal to Kb, because इसका हिसाब से Ka आना है, इसका हिसाब से Kb आना है. So both concentrations are same, so that Ka is equal to Kb. Got it? Is equal to H plus and OH minus upon H2O. So 10 power minus 7, 10 power minus 7 upon 55.55 is going to be 1.8 into 10 power minus 16. That is what you call it as absolute dissociation constant of water. Okay, and pKa of H2O and pKb of H2O is equal to negative logarithm to the base 10 of this 1.8 into 10 power minus 16. Okay, so all kept quiet in the class. Come on, lage raho chart box mein, active banao. That is 15.74. These values are constant values. Okay, who is there in the chart box? Come on, fatafat. Next, and these terminologies, absolute dissociation constant, ionization product constant, or ionic product constant of water, these are all different terminologies, are very important for NEET examination. So for any conjugate acid base pair HA minus, then in the aqueous solution you have to take water ionization into the act, so that HA, when you dissolve in the water aqueous solution, it is going to be A minus and H3O plus, and A minus H2O gives rise HA and OH minus. So it is acid, so that acid dissociation constant ani, and A minus, this is an acid and this is a base, so this gives a base dissociation constant. So Ka H3O plus A minus upon HA, Kb, this is Kb, HA and OH minus and A minus. So when you take this product, you are going to get Ka into Kb is equal to Kw. So when you talk about this and this, Ka into Kb is going to be, look at this, Ka into Kb can be written as H3O plus and A minus and HA into Kb, HA and OH minus upon A minus. So what happened? So you are going to strike this, you are going to strike this, A minus and A minus, HA and HA. क्या क्या बचेगा आपका? H3O plus and OH minus. ठीक है बेटा? So what do you call this H3O plus and OH minus? It is going to be your Kw. So Kw, मैं क्या बोलना चाहता हूँ? Kw is equal to Ka into Kb. So that's what I want to mention here. So negative log लगाओ. So Ka become pKa and Kb become pKb, and a cross become addition in the logarithms is going to be pKw is going to be 14, and this is a खतरनाक formula at 25 degree centigrade में इस्तेमाल कर सकते. And say an example, pKa of acetic acid, pKb of acetate is going to be pKw is equal to 14 at any temperature. है ना? And this is a kind of derivations, not derivations, and the mathematical relations are very, very, very important. है ना बेटा? Any doubt? Clear? Okay. Now let's talk like pKa. It's like pKa, you can say pKa of NaH4 plus pKb of NaHe3 is equal to pKb is equal to 14. So like that, various points I just want to mention here. So in general, I just want to say pKa plus pKb is equal to 14, that is equal to pKw, that is equal to pKw. Is equal to 14. This is true at 25 degrees centigrade. Clear? That's good. That's good. Hope today you really enjoyed the class. Okay. Any doubt? Acidity and the pH scale. So I just want to say, acidic strength means the tendency of an acid to give rise H3O plus or H plus in the aqueous solution, and this has to be measured by means of a more convenient scale that is called pH scale. Similarly, basic strength means the tendency of a base to give rise OH minus ions in the water. So greater the tendency to give OH minus ion, more will be the basic strength. है ना? Clear? And I want to say pH is defined as, you can say it is a pH power of hydronium ion. It is defined as negative logarithm of the base 10 to the base 10 of H plus ion activity. So you can say pH small p capital H is equal to negative logarithm the base 10 of H plus ion concentration. That's it. This is the formula. The pH scale was given by Sorensen, and it ranges from 0 to 14, and central point is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. है ना? 7 is a neutral. 7 is a neutral. This is acid and this is the base. So pH is equal to negative logarithm to the base 10 of H plus, or pH is equal to positive logarithm to the base 10 of 1 by H plus, or pH also can be given as negative logarithm to the base 10 of H3O plus. Like that, different formulas you can use it. And I just want to say pH can be calculated by using a various, and we said this scale is only applicable at 25 degrees centigrade. Actually, if the temperature changes, the pH is going to be changed. And you can say from Kw, H plus and OH minus gives rise 10 power minus 4. Taking the negative logarithm on the either sides, minus H plus is minus log OH minus is equal to minus log 10 power minus 14, and gives rise minus H plus and OH minus is equal to Kw minus log Kw is equal to 14. I just want to say minus log H plus is equal to pH, minus log OH minus is equal to POH, and दोनों add करके plus pH and POH is equal to pKw is equal to 14. From an aqueous solution at 25 degrees centigrade. हर बार A condition चलता रहता है. Okay, that's good, dear students. And from here we just want to close the session, and today we discussed about acid base theories and applications and questions based on that, and Ostwald dilution theories, and also we discussed about the weak acid and the weak base ionizations and ionization constant, उसमें relations क्या, and ionic product of water, absolute ionic constant of water, and we started pH scale. And tomorrow's class we will be discussing about सारा के सारा pH calculations, इसका बहुत टेक्निक्स भी बताना चाहता हूँ मैं. Get ready for tomorrow's class. Get ready for tomorrow's class. Okay, that's fine. Signing off, Suresh, Faculty of Chemistry from Infinity Land. Please like and share and subscribe this Youth Infinity Land channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye. God bless you all.